I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week I'm recreating this makeup look which is inspired by the 2000s, and if you want to know how to achieve this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so we are doing the 2000s look today, and I have done something similar before on my channel, but it was for something else, and now I'm doing the whole decade thing. So about 2 weeks ago I did the 70s, so this time I'm doing the 2000s, and specifically the early 2000s, more so lower and towards the 90s. We are going to be using one eyeshadow color and just one eyeshadow color, that's all. We're using this green color right here. And we're using that all over our lid, and I'm taking a flat brush like this one and just putting that all over my lid. I want to bring it up a little bit above my crease, just towards my eyebrow, but leaving room between my eyeshadow and my eyebrows. And I want to bring it out about here to kind of give it space to have that highlight that they have back then. And then I want to bring a little bit underneath my eyes, but not a lot, just a little bit to kind of bring the color around my eye. Then I'm going to go in with the round brush underneath my eyes. Then I want to go in with the highlighter, so I'm going to be using the Revolutions, Makeup Revolutions a cheek kit. Take a breather, and I'm taking this one right here. I always like to use a big fluffy brush for the big areas, and then I usually go in with a smaller fluffy brush for the smaller areas. Then I want to go in with this silver right here, and I will use a really small brush like this one and just go that in the inner corners. So the next thing I will do is put on mascara, and I'm just going to be curling my lashes first. And because it is the 2000s, you need to be putting mascara on your upper and lower lashes, even though I usually just put mascara on my upper lashes. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline's the Colossal that looks like this. So to finish this off, I'm going to be putting on setting spray. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution's Sport Fix that looks like this. This is the finished look. If you like the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you will be notified when I upload a video. I upload my Makeup Wednesday videos every Wednesday at 8 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 3 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!